This video is designed to help you become an expert in sentence flow. You know you have to be an expert in one of the top 4 areas on your biography rubric, and this video will show you how to do it in this area. Let's look at what the rubric says. Unique transitions are used appropriately beyond what is available for you to see on the Linking Words anchor chart. Let's see what that Linking Words anchor chart looks like. Here's what it looks like in Ms. Suarez's class, and most classes have the same one. We see here that they're adding 2 ideas using and, also, as well as. We have some sequencing, first, second, finally. We have some cause and effect, because, so. We've got for comparing, similarly, likewise, contrasting, instead of otherwise unlike, and some more examples like, for example, such as therefore, for instance, but, although. These are words you'll generally find that they're pretty easy for you to use. You've been really zeroing in on being able to use these linking words in your paragraphs, and now it's time for you to get a little bit more creative. So, this video is going to show you how you can go beyond just these basic linking words into some ones that will add details to your paragraph. This seems pretty basic, but we're going to see how we can spice it up. So you're going to find yourself using a lot of chronological order words because you're retelling someone's life and it should, go in order. So I wrote a paragraph that I thought we could replace a few of those linking words with ones that you think might work a little bit better. I wrote mine on Rachel Carson. So the paragraph that I wrote begins, Rachel Carson got her degree for biology from the Pennsylvania College for Women, and then went on and got a degree in zoology from Johns Hopkins University. Then she taught for a while and began working for the Fish and Wildlife Service as their chief editor of publications. Later, Rachel Carson began writing for magazines as well. There are some pretty basic chronological order linking words here. I don't have one at all to start my paragraph, and that might be one that I add. I have the word then, I have the word later. So I've found 3 different places that I could easily replace or add new and unique linking words. Let's start at the beginning. I want to add something that kind of introduces her start for her educational career. I know. I'm going to start off with the phrase to start off. So now mine reads, to start off, Rachel got her degree for biology from the Pennsylvania College for Women, and then went on and got a degree in zoology from Johns Hopkins University. I want to change this boring, bland word then. So I'm going to transition. She did this right after this. So I'm going to say after college. Perfect. That sounds so much better. After college, she taught for a while. Love it. Now I'm looking at this word later. I'm going to try this phrase. It wasn't long. Before. Now that last sentence reads, it wasn't long before Rachel Carson began writing for magazines as well. Ooh, I can't wait to hear how this sounds all together. Here we go. To start off her educational career, Rachel Carson got her degree for biology from the Pennsylvania College for Women, and then went on and got a degree in zoology from Johns Hopkins University. After college, she taught for a while and began working for the Fish and Wildlife Service as their chief editor of publications. It wasn't long before Rachel Carson began writing for magazines as well. Doesn't that sound so much better? You can really see that this is an easy way to be an expert, and it makes my writing flow so much better. Now, I really also want my teacher to be able to see my hard work. So I'm going to make sure that when I turn in my publication that I've highlighted all of the ones that I really worked on making sure that I increased my knowledge of transitional and linking phrases. So the idea is to replace basic linking words into phrases that add to your paragraph. Highlight the ones you use to stand out to show your teacher that you aimed at expert at this level. And that's it. You've got it. You can easily become an expert now.